HEHE. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I would love for you guys to join this channel. Today I'm going to be doing a different video today. I'm going to be doing 5 quick and super easy hairstyles that you can do in the summer. It's just really easy to do and really fun at the same time. If you guys want to learn how to do some quick and easy hairstyles, keep watching. The first hairstyle we're going to do is this really cute bubble hairstyle. I've seen a few pictures of this on Pinterest and I wanted to recreate it, and it's actually super easy to make. And for this hairstyle, you're only going to need elastic. You can pretty much find it at the Dollar Tree or anything like that. So what you're going to want to do first is split your hair in the middle. So I have like roughly a middle part. So you're going to split your hair in half. Take out the front 2 pieces of your hair that you want to frame your face. And then you're going to put each side into a low pony. So it's gonna look like this. Then what you're gonna wanna do is take some other hair elastics and you're gonna make about 1 inch and you're gonna tie it. Once you're done tying it, you can kind of push it up, and this is what's gonna give it a bubble effect. You're gonna wanna pull this cute little puff. And then you're going to want to repeat that same process. Then what you're going to want to do is loosen the top part so it's not too Amish looking, I guess. And you have a super cute and easy pigtail hairstyle that I love. It's so cute and I definitely recommend it. It's super easy and almost anyone can do it. And the best part about this is that you can do some other fun stuff with it. You can put headbands in your hair, you can put a bandana in your hair, and it will look super cute. The next hairstyle is again super easy and super quick to do if it's a really hot day and you just want to change up something about your hair. Again, you're going to need a middle part, but if you're not comfortable, you can definitely do a deep side part. But I think for this look, it definitely looks better with a middle part. And you're going to need some hair elastics. So what you're going to do is basically going to take these 2 pieces forward, like so, which are kind of like your baby hairs. Take the top section in the middle of where your ear and your forehead is. And you're going to take the elastic and tie it. You can even grab pieces from the ear area. I have blonde hair there because I dyed my hair pink there. And that is the finished hairstyle. You can put waves in your hair. It is super cute, super easy, and a good way to change your hair. For this next hairstyle, you are going to need to either curl your hair or wave it and braid it overnight if you don't want to use heat. But today I'm going to be using the Beaded Wave Artist Curler Waver. This video is sponsored by Beaded. I wish. But today I'm going to be using the Beaded Waver. It's really awesome to wave your hair, so I'm going to do that right now. Hey Google, play Julia Kakis on Spotify. Alright, so this next hairstyle is super easy. This is an Outer Banks inspired hairstyle and it's super cute. After you have finished waving your hair, you're going to take top section of your hair, so like where your eyebrows are, and you're going to gather that up. So you can see my nasty hair that needs to be dyed pink again. And what you're going to want to do is take that top section and turn that into a bun. And then you can definitely leave the hairstyle like this if you want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 2 parts, kind of where my blonde hair is, by the ears, and I'm going to braid those. When you're done, you should have something that looks like this. This next hairstyle is super easy, using it after the bun hairstyle I did. I'm going to take the 2 little small braids. I'm going to bring that backwards and together. Then you take the 2 parts in the front and you have a really cute and easy hairstyle. Another thing you can do with these braids, take a scrunchie, gather them up, gather your hair, put it into a little bun. You have a little messy bun with these 2 waves and they look so cute. One way that you can definitely spice up this bun or those 2 braids is taking a headband. This is a buff. This is actually my mom's. She uses this for hiking, but it's definitely on trend when it comes to the Outer Banks. But don't hurt yourself. You can even take out bun and you just have this super cute hairstyle. And it's so cute. For the last hairstyle, we're going to be doing a beaded braid look that is very popular right now, and I wanted to try it and show you guys how to do it because it's actually not that hard. So what you're going to need, elastics and beads, which you can buy anywhere. Mine are from Michael's. You need a hairspray. What you're going to do is you're going to take a section of the hair that you want. You're going to kind of want it to be small. So I'm going to take about this much. I'm going to wet this down. What to do is you're going to split this up into a normal braid like so, and then you're going to start braiding. And then when you want to start putting in beads, you're going to want to make sure that the section that you want to put the bead on is very wet. You're going to string the bead through the hair before you put it in. So you take your hair and you're going to put the bead through and push it up. Went ahead off camera and did another braid, but this is basically how it's gonna look. You're gonna want to have beads going throughout. You can get bigger braids or you can get bigger beads if you want the beads to show up more, but I kind of like this. It's super cute and it's such like beach vibes, and you could do it on both sides of your head because it's super cute and super small. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from these 5 quick and easy hairstyles. Hope you guys enjoyed it because it was fun to make and I love trying out new things, and you guys should definitely try these out too. If you try them out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at JulieK's. I would love to see them and repost them on my story. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I love you all. Bye!